Goku, yun yung sinagsulat ng libro. Hala, kaya si Goku, represent December 30th. Barbershop brainstorming. Went to the barber to make a movie. Went inside his studio shop, sat on his chair, and pitched my head, heavy with long, dark, wavy narratives before his snip-snapping scissors, ready to cut unnecessary details. For his part in the brainstorming, he pitched me a newspaper. It was result day. He started cutting my hair, my narratives. Some fell on the floor, some on the pages of the newspaper, intertwining with the letters and images there as I read on. Strands of hair fell on the mouth of a foreign envoy who said, Rizal is model for the Filipino youth. Some fell on the eyes of a historian from the Institute as he reminded us of Rizal's international girlfriends. Some fell on the placard of an actor, the placard saying, Damaso, as he roamed around tagging people as modern-day versions of Rizal's fictional characters, including the ones who opposed a bill regulating sex and human reproductive skills. I stopped there, and with more strands of long hair intertwining with and hanging by the placard, I pitched that a movie we made from Noli and Philly about Chrysostom Ibarra. Ready to cut more strands, the barber asked, who was Ibarra? I said, he was a level-headed person who was cheated on and messed around with, then became very rich, assumed another persona, then began to concoct bitter methods to torment his enemies for sweet revenge. The barber cut my thumbs and said, one for the telenovelas. Yes, complete with a sex maniac priest, broken-hearted and suicidal nun, and a violated protagonist seeking revenge, I replied. As the barber started with his razor, he added, it could be set in the present time, modern wardrobe, modern language, and that's kissing scenes.